What's up, guys? I'm at Beau's house. I brought the truck and trailer. He told me I needed this. He's still having some trouble with the RX-7. I don't really know what's going on. He wired up some coil packs and he just told me that I needed to bring the trailer so we could take it to the shop. So let me show you what's going on with these coil packs. He's got them wired up. They look good. Okay. Smoking too. She's running. Obviously, we were lying. If you follow us on Instagram, you already knew that. We're taking this to Paul's for some exhaust stuff.
Exhaust stuff.
That way we can actually make it run.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, how much was this exhaust stuff?
Dude, it was $200. I've got some straight pipe that came with it too. It's all 3-inch steel. It's not stainless if you want to look like super pretty, but it is exhaust pipe. It is exhaust tubing. Got 4 foot, 3-inch, I think 4 sections of these 4-footers. Bunch of elbows, bunch of like 45s and U's and
All kinds
and
of stuff,
90s,
right?
yeah, all for $200. It was quite the deal.
It was quite the deal. We're going to link it down in the description if you guys need to build an exhaust. This should probably keep you good for at least 2 to 3 exhaust systems. Maybe even 4.
Easily, if you're doing them, if you're straight piping and making them short, like doing side dumps and stuff like that.
You'll be able to do 100. If you're just like putting them out the hood and out the fender, you'll make 100 exhausts. You'll be set forever. But yeah, so $200 for that. We'll have the link down in the description if you guys want it off Amazon.
The RX isn't getting a muffler or a resonator or anything like that. She's gonna be loud.
This is gonna be out the butt.
Yep.
It'll sound good. It'll sound good though.
Yeah.
I got some words. But anyways, we're gonna winch it up here. It's on a base map, so it's pretty rich, right? That's why it's smoking, we think. Yeah, so we're gonna put it up here. We're gonna take it to Paul's, and we're gonna go get an exhaust put on.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Woo! So the real star of this video is the trash that was under my RX-7 for 3 years. But check this out. Look how good this thing looks. Oh my gosh! Love it. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Bang. Ding! And there's Ronnie. He only makes it look better.
This is the funny thing about RX-7s.
What?
The doors are cut so low you can't open them. I think the 240 was the same.
Oh, really? That's funny.
This is the second RX-7 I've had on here.
Really? You've had this one twice?
Yep, I had a red one.
Whose was that?
It was Ryan Snell's brother's girlfriend.
When was that?
I don't know, it was this year. You got the park brake on.
Man, don't even worry about stuff like that. Just give it a little push or something. Well, we're leaving it in the capable hands of Ty over there and his dope Integra. Goodbye, sweetheart. Thanks again, Ty.
No problem. Take it easy, bud.
Let's see what's Ronnie doing. Ronnie's standing in front of this cool ass Mirage over here.
It's a Mirage, so it's not really there.
Dang, is that a Mirage? This
So
like,
speaking, Beau, you have some parts coming in, right?
what kind of parts?
Well, some Nissan parts. And you need some Nissan parts.
I do need some Nissan parts.
Like this Nissan. They're not there.
They're not there.
Everything's in there.
Oh, really? So there might be like calipers and stuff in there.
Yeah.
That'd be
I've
crazy.
been trying to get Paul to let me know if I come with this.
Did you see this big exhaust in here? That's
Yeah,
hilarious,
got, like,
dude.
fart cans.
Dude, those are huge fart
The
cans.
motors out of it. Like, it looks like everything for the car is inside it. They're just not on it. Weird.
That's funny. It's got this sick spoiler on it, though. Oh, look at that. Y'all look at the sick kid on this freaking Civic. How 1997 is that? My goodness. That's hilarious.
Dude, look at the wheels too. Dude, like matching.
Dang.
Straight out of Fast and Furious. Dude.
This thing is too fast.
Too furious.
It is indeed.
I like it.
Look at this rad sticker. Who needs a local loser sticker like this? Everybody? Ronnie, you have one. It's on your car right here.
Oh.
Dude, who needs a cool ratchet like that? What?
Dude, I love one. Beau just got me this.
He got like skinny ratchets. Anyways, we just dropped the RX-7 off at the, we're having a breakdown.
You need
We got
ratchet?
something. Oh no, he needs a ratchet. Not the same as a breakdown.
You want black chips?
Anyways, black chips, what's that?
They're like barbecue lays. They come in a black bag?
Interesting. Oh yeah, they do. They do. Anyways, where were we? Oh yeah, we just dropped the RX-7 off at the exhaust shop. When the exhaust gets done, then we're gonna take it to the tuner and get it tuned, and then we can just like drive it around like it's a normal car.
It's weird.
Yeah, that's super weird. I won't know what to do other than drive it around like it's a normal car. So yeah, that's it for this video.
Yeah, that's it for this video.
A little extra something here. If you want stickers, we can print out stickers. Like that sticker you just saw. We have one with the Arizona. Hey, Levi, can you hang on 1 second and not make noise? Just for a second. Thank you. So we have one with an Arizona flag on it. We have another one with Ronnie's truck on it. We have, I don't know, we have a
Japanese
bunch.
flag on it?
Go on, yeah. We have one with a Japanese flag on it, or the rising sun. Go on our Instagram, and we've got some sticker posts from the past. We post them every couple of months just to see if people want them. We also sell like a turbo intake elbow for hard bodies. You know, hit us up if you need stuff. If you need parts, we have parts laying around. Hit us up if you have any questions. We are here to help. Period. We've
So
done.
quick thing.
What?
I want to make an executive decision. You don't even know about this.
Ronnie's making an executive decision.
If we sell 10 stickers on this video,
What?
yeah, you
What?
guys will be able to get these.
Dang! If we sell 10 of those?
No, if we sell 10 of those, we'll put these up for sale.
What? Dude, and this is a dope. Bowser, get out of here. You sound like a daggone two-stroke motorcycle. Go on. This is like the best sticker we ever made. We love it. So if you want one, buy some of the other ones. If you buy some of the other ones, we'll start putting those out for sale. And
They're going to be smaller. So
they'll be a little bit smaller. They won't be as big as ours. They'll be a little bit smaller though.
not a whole lot smaller. But
Yeah, right on. Let me see.
if we sell a few more stickers, we'll have enough to buy a vinyl cover.
Dude, and then we can do our own die-cut stickers.
I know, then we could do those.
That would be sicker to do those stickers. Whatever. Anyways,
It was a little hard pressed there.
I know, dude. I was reaching. Anyways, that's it for today. Join us next time with the RX-7 and when we're tuning it and hopefully getting some power out of it and not setting it on fire or blowing it up.
Wouldn't be the first time I set it on fire. Well, something on fire.
My RX-7's running before your truck runs. I'm so sad. I'm so like sad for you. However,
I still have like 2 years though.
That's true. It did take 3 years for me to get my RX-7 running. Ronnie still has more than 2 years. This one's been down for how long?
It'll be a year in May.
Oh wow, yours has only been down for like 7 months or something. That's dumb. Anyway, that's barely even a project. Anyway, we're out.
Later, guys.